That's my new camping toy. Let's check it out. With all the camping, boating, and outdoor activities our family does, I felt it was time to invest in a screen shade pop-up. This Alventor caught my eye because it's so easy to put up. Or is it? Well, that part was easy enough, but now what? I've heard that one person can do this, so I'm up for the challenge. Well, maybe. Okay, here we go. Ta-da! Because there's no bottom to this, you could easily lift it up and stick it over a picnic bench. It's large enough.
Hey, Ray Ray, get in there. Whoosh. Let's go inside. Woo.
Yes, I can certainly see how this will enhance our outdoor fun. Papa. And if nothing else, the kids have it like a personal fort. Just saying. There are also fabric panels that you can purchase to make additional shade as well. Now, I've also heard that one person can collapse this easily, but this is my first time, and so I've enlisted some aid from the hubby. Oh, and here's the disclaimer for the video. My 9-year-old granddaughter is filming, and she adheres to the squirrel method, which takes the camera off the intended target and follows random dogs and kids, etc. Okay, there is a method to fold this even smaller, but because we were struggling a bit, we opted for the folded in half method, which still fits in the covering. Yeah, 9-year-old finger. Encore of 9-year-old finger. So let's get this baby back in its case. Oh, squirrel. Family watching complained that there was no awkward argument entertainment in tearing it down. Sorry to disappoint, but this was pretty easy. I'm sold on it.